Hey guys, so it was in a pretty amazing 2018. I think my subscriber base grew actually more than double, from less than 10,000 to almost 25,000. Well, actually, it might be 25,000 by the time I post this video. And I just wanted to make a video to thank all of you subscribers for watching my videos and sharing them and helping the channel grow. Please continue to do so. If you hit the like button on all the videos and share them, that does help the channel grow and get YouTube to show the videos to more people that aren't subscribers, which is what I'm hoping more of in 2019. But the point of this video is basically to thank you guys, the subscribers, for basically making this channel a reality and making it happen. Also, I want to thank all the vendors that provided samples for review on my channel. I did a ton of videos this year, probably more than 600 or 700. Without the subscribers and without the vendors, this channel wouldn't be possible. I consider myself a middleman, a go-between between the subscribers, the viewers, people that are interested in products, and the people that provide the products. So thank you to everybody out there on both sides to make this channel happen. And the reason I wanted to make this video is I wanted to give back to my subscriber base, and I've been spending the last about a month or so contacting all of the vendors and trying to get everyone to come on board to a really super large giveaway. So this is going to be a giveaway for my subscribers. It's not like other channels where it's only for Patreons. This is going to be for anyone that's a subscriber. And I have a ton of vendors lined up. They're going to be providing a ton of prizes. Don't comment in this video because I'm not checking this video for winners. That's going to be, I'm going to have a separate video for each vendor in the coming weeks, probably pretty soon, not coming weeks. It's going to run through most of January. I have to make all the videos and post them, edit them, and then keep track of them, and then I'm going to pick winners probably end of January or beginning of February. And there's a ton of stuff, so I'm just going to go over I'm going to try and include most of the stuff that everyone is offering here so that you guys can at least know what's going to be coming. And every one of these vendors is going to get their own video. So you got to be, so if you don't want to miss the video, because I know that for the Diatone, the GTR 239 giveaway, I know a lot of you guys missed that video because you don't have your notifications turned on and just didn't even know the video was out. So if you obviously don't know the video exists, you can't enter the contest. So I really recommend turning on your notification bell. That way you'll get a notification in your email or somewhere in your subscriber feed that I posted a new video, because you don't want to miss these giveaways because there's a lot of good stuff here. And I want to make sure that all you guys are going to be able to enter those contests and have a chance to win a prize. And let me just, I have a huge list here on my phone. I'm going to read off everything I've got right now as of the date of the filming of this video. Hopefully I'll have even more. If you want to encourage me, if you guys want to encourage me to even do more giveaways, hit the thumbs up button on this video. I'm noticing that on the last giveaway video, not even half of the people that viewed the video gave it a thumbs up, which actually kind of discourages me from doing these kind of things, but I want to give back. So give me a little encouragement by giving a thumbs up. Don't forget to do that. It also helps the channel out a lot. But let me go ahead and start with the list here. eSheen is going to be providing a trash can, which is like a Mobula 7 but on steroids. And that I don't have that yet. I haven't reviewed it yet, but that one I think is going to be really good, and I think everyone's going to want to get on that giveaway. So be on the lookout for that video. That's coming out soon. HGLRC is going to be offering a Hornet 120, so that's going to be a prize. If you like the 2.5-inch micros, definitely look out for that video. That one's going to be a really popular video as well for giveaway. Happy Model is going to be giving away Mobula 7 V2 with the version 2 frame. That one also, be on the lookout for that video. Beta FPV is going to be giving away a 75 Pro 2, which I reviewed very recently, so check out that video if you want to see what that's all about. It's kind of similar to the Mobula 7 in terms of weight and features and stuff, but not exactly the same. There's going to be a lot more of these 2S whoops out. They're out now and coming. Newbie Drone, they're going to be providing Acroby Lite, which is going to be basically the B-Brain Lite which I did a video on earlier, and the Acroby kit. So you just basically take the flight controller and camera, which is the B-Brain Light kit, and the Acroby kit, which is going to be the cockroach frame and the gold motors and props. Put those together, and you're going to have the tiny whip basically that I had in that video. So definitely be on the lookout for that one. It's going to be like that's like $100 prize there. And then HobbyMade, they're providing 3 prizes, which is amazing. They're going to be providing a Meteor 5-inch bind-in fly racing drone. So if you saw that video, that's a pretty nice. If you're into racing, FPV, 5-inch, very nice. One of the best 5-inch models out there this year. Definitely you want to check that one out. So that's going to be the first place prize. The second place prize is going to be the Duo D6 charger. That's a very popular charger, very good charger. I reviewed that as well. And then the third place prize is going to be this pocket charger that I haven't reviewed yet. Obviously, I'm putting up pictures on here, so you probably get a picture on the screen. GearBest is going to be offering a Tiny Hawk, the regular Tiny Hawk, not the Ready to Fly kit. And speaking of the Tiny Hawk, Emax is going to be providing a Tiny Hawk Ready to Fly. At least that's what I've been told. Hopefully, they'll have those available by the end of January, because I know those are highly in demand. So if you win that, you might have to wait a little bit to get that. Khattak is providing some turtle cameras, and if that video gets a lot of likes, then I might be providing even more prizes from Khattak. So be sure you listen to those videos and read the descriptions to understand what the requirements are for the giveaway, so you don't mess it up. Also, make sure you have your not only have your notifications turned on, but make sure your subscriber or your subscriptions are public. I'll put a link down in the description, so I know a lot of you guys don't know how to do that. You just have to Google it, but I'll put that down in the description. There'll be a link to the Google search that will bring that up, the instructions on how to make your subscriptions public, because if I can't prove that you're a subscriber, then you can't win, because these prizes are only going to be for subscribers. Anyway, the next vendor is going to be Foxy. They're going to be providing 3 prizes again. Amazing. The new Box 2 camera, which no one has yet, no one's reviewed, that's not out yet. But I've seen some sample 4K, I think it's 4K 30 frames per second video from that. Amazing. It looks really good. I will be getting that soon for a review, but one of you guys will get to win that. That'll be the first place prize. The second place prize will be also another item that isn't out yet. Their new mixed camera, which is like a Khattak Turtle or a Split Mini type of camera, but they said that they've made a bunch of improvements to that category of camera. So I'm expecting a lot. I'm thinking it's going to be really good. We'll see. Obviously I haven't reviewed it yet, but that'll be the second place prize. And then the third place prize will be the Clear TX2 video transmitter. That one I think is going to be a really popular video. You don't want to miss that one. 3 big prizes there. Definitely want to get on board with that one. FXT, they're going to be providing a gesture box, which is that kit that I reviewed with the camera and the video transmitter with the camera, where you could use your hand to change settings. So check out that video. I'll put links to all the stuff down in the description as well if you don't know where those videos are. I'm probably going to get some stuff from Nightflight. They haven't committed to anything yet, so if you're a subscriber of mine and you know anyone at Nightflight, send them a message saying that you'd like to see X, Y, and Z in the giveaway. Maybe by that time, I think by the time I put this video out, they'll probably have committed to something. But in case they haven't, send them a message. Say, hey, I want to see whatever. I don't know what you guys would be interested from, maybe motors or frames. You let them know and let me know in the comments below. That's it right for now in terms of what I have in terms of the vendors. I mean, I don't know about you guys. That's a huge list of products and prizes, and that'll keep me pretty busy in January just to manage all of the contests. Going to be really busy, and you want to make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on and have your subscriptions public, so I can, when I properly pick the winners, that I can verify your subscription and everything. Because you guys don't want to be one of those unlucky fellows that was picked as a winner, didn't have their subscription public, and ended up not winning because the prize went to someone else that actually followed the instructions. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Don't leave a comment thinking that you're going to be entering any giveaways in this video, because that is not going to get you entered in anything. So I just want to make sure you understand that. Yeah, but do definitely hit the thumbs up button on this one. So I'm going to see how many people actually hitting the like button on this. If I get a lot of likes, I have a certain number in my head. I'm thinking, you know, if it's over a certain number, then I'm going to try and get even more vendors, more prizes. But if not, then I'll just like leave it at what it is right now, which I think is a ton anyway. I don't know. You guys can calculate the dollar values, thousands of dollars of stuff here. So anyway, guys, this is just a thank you message from me to you. For all the things that, you know, for supporting my channel in 2018. And yeah, hopefully we'll have a really super growth in 2019. I'm hoping to at least double subscriber again from 25,000 to hopefully even higher than 50,000. That would be awesome. And again, thank you all for supporting the channel, watching the videos, leaving comments, and you know, just sharing the videos and everything. So that really helps the channel a lot. And these giveaways are for you guys as a way for me to give back to you for helping me grow in 2018. So hopefully we'll have another fantastic 2019 coming up. Anyway, make sure you're on the lookout for those videos and don't miss those. And make sure you enter all those contests because you don't want to miss those giveaways. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.